It's normal for any parent or father to be angry when his child misbehaves or goes against his word.
A loving father may become angry, not because he hates his child, but because he cares.
God is our Father. He is a God of justice and mercy. He gets angry when we don't obey or listen to his word, just like our earthly father.
But when we come back to him, his hands are always open to receive us. No matter what you have done, no matter how far you go, God will always love you. Anger lasts only a moment, but his love is everlasting.
Jeremiah 31 verse 3 NLT. Long ago the Lord said to Israel, I have loved you, my people, with an everlasting love. With unfailing love I have drawn you to myself.